Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook page. So let's go into the Facebook mobile application. You have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner. In the iOS, you will see in the bottom right side corner. Okay, and here you will see the option that is a page option. That is the first option. Click on the page, and here on the top you will see an option that is called create. So click on the create, and here click on the get started. You have to first of all write your page name. So for example, if I just want to keep it as just a test, and just click on the next, and you have to select the categories. So whether you are working in which kind of brand, if you're working just to make a store kind of page or just a meme kind of page, you can just select it, right? So I will select here just a musical band and just click on create band, and after that you can select more than one categories, and that's it guys, and you have to click on the create, and we have to just wait for a few seconds till it get load. After that guys, you have to fill up the bio, your contact, if you have a website, email, phone number, and the address and everything, right? And after doing that, you have to just click on the next. If you don't want to fill it, just skip it, and here you can click edit the action button. So if it is a website page, you can select that redirect to your website, and if you're just running anything, you can just try it, right? So just click on try it, and you can see that there is a lot of action button. If it is just a page, so you can select a sign up page, and you can find a lot of things, right? View shop, get ticket, messages, and all that. So I will just keep it as messages, and just click on the next, and here you have to save. So after saving it, this will make a new Facebook page for you guys. And that's it guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video. Thanks for watching this video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.